every dream. On the ice the walrus stays, with big tusks and funny ways, swimming deep and splashing wide. The walrus loves the ocean tide. Blue is for walrus, big and strong, sliding through the waves all day long. With a happy smile and tusks so white, walrus swims in the soft moonlight. In the dirt the wombat digs, making tunnels, no time for twigs. A cozy home beneath the trees, the wombat works with so much ease. Is the wombat digging down, building tunnels underground. With soft brown fur and tiny paws, wombat's world has no flaws. Weasel's quick in the trees, moving through the jungle breeze. With a leap it climbs so high, Weasel reaches for the sky. Weasel whiz for weasel, sleek and fast, through the jungle they dash and pass. With a twist and turn they play, weasels have fun every day. Tap, 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 the woodpecker sings, pecking trees with strong bright wings. Flying high and tapping low, woodpeckers love to hear the echo. Whiz for woodpecker tapping away, drumming on trees all through the day. With red feathers and a beak so strong, woodpecker taps all day long. Animals are so fun to see, wolves, wombats and weasels, wild and free. Walruses swim, woodpeckers tap, with the letter W, it's a joyful map.